Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the quality in the Musi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the three dots at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button, and at the very top you can see that there are three options to choose from. So you can set it to the lowest, which is the best option if you have a 3G net. Then you can set it to medium, which is the recommended quality, which is best for LTE and Wi-Fi. And you can also set it to high definition, which best works if you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So just choose whichever is more preferred. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.